I promised my wife a nice special omelette, so let's get cracking.
And these are the good eggs, straight from the ass of the chicken.
So fresh, they're still warm. All our eggs in the bowl, and then we give it a strong pinch of salt. And that's important to salt your eggs from the beginning because that helps break down the protein so the omelette gets nice and fluffy. And then some black pepper. And we give it a good whisk.
Whip it good.
In a pan on medium-low, you add tablespoon, maybe tablespoon and a half of olive oil. It's good stuff here. Extra virgin olive oil. And then we take our eggs, give them a quick whip. And in they go. The first 20, 30 seconds or so, you fold it in from the sides until it starts to harden up a little bit in the bottom. We're not creating scrambled eggs, don't worry, but this will make sure that we don't overcook the bottom. So keep doing this until it starts firming up. You can see it's starting to firm up. So now we stop folding, flatten it out, and then we let it go so we can put our other ingredients. We will add some chopped up cherry tomatoes here. Let me get them spread out. Do that with my spatula. Looking good. Chopped green pepper. Our beautiful homemade bacon / pepper bacon. That's gonna give a fantastic taste to this, I'm sure. Spread it out nicely. Some smoked turkey breast. Told you it would be special.
Yeah, it looks so.
Yeah. Starting to smell like an omelette. And last but not least, some grated Greek Gruyere. How much do you think?
Not more.
A little bit.
That's fine.
Okay. Don't want it to be too much. Something like that. A little bit more here. Nice. It's gonna be good. It looks like it's ready, so let's see if we can flip this big boy because, of course, we use the biggest pan we have, so whoopsie, there you go. That looks good. Now the next trick is to get it out of the pan, but I think we will manage. You want an omelette? You get an omelette.
Best brunch ever.
Give it a shot there.
I will. That omelette is brilliant. The eggs are cooked to perfection, the ingredients so tasty, and our homemade bacon.
There's a link down below how to make that.
You can enjoy it any day.